Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In today's lesson, I will teach you on how to configure PPPoE on Mikrotik. Okay, so this one is talking about the PPPoE, mean that your ISP provider give you the PPPoE client or PPPoE username and password to you for you to access to the internet. So to configure this, okay, first you need to go to PPP here, okay, and then you go to your interface here, and then you go to PPPoE client, okay, and then you cho in the general this one you can put any name depend on you. For example, I put CMPPOE, okay, and then you go to del out. The important is del out here. Del out here you have to put the username provided by your ISP here, okay. If you give you put here, okay, for example, okay, and then the password, okay, this one the password that provided by your ISP, okay, and make sure that this one is tick everyone add the full route, okay, apply, okay, and okay. So if it is the real PPPoE, this one is not the real one everyone, okay. If you get the PPPoE from user, you can check the status here. It will give you the address, okay, and it will also give you the network traffic, okay. So after you complete this one del out, what you need to do, like the previous step as well everyone, you need to add your LAN IP. You can go to address and then you add your LAN IP, okay. Let example, here is my LAN IP, okay. I will put like the previous video, okay, and then choose the port of your LAN, apply, okay, and then you go to IP. You need to do the DHCP server, okay, to allow your client to access the IP address. I go to the DHCP setup, next, okay, let's say this one is the port of our LAN, next, okay, and the IP address that we want to give to the client, I will left default, or I can start from 50, okay, next, okay, next, success, okay. So after you finish this step, you need to go to firewall, okay, to enable the NAT rule. This one can allow the client to access to the internet, okay. You go to NAT action, for general, this one you need to use SOC NAT and action maximum, okay. You just enable this one, apply, okay, so after this you can ping to your Google whether it's work or not, okay, and then you can also go to IP address, you can also IP DHCP server, okay, whether your client can get the IP address or not, okay. Here you see your client can get the IP address, okay. So this one, if you have the IP address or if you have the PPPoE user and password from the ISP, this one will be work. So the configuration you can follow us this video. Okay, IP config /release new. Okay, so everyone, for the PPPOE, the main point is over here, PP. So make sure that you do or you put the correct username password, and make sure that this one is take. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. I hope that you find this lesson useful. See you in the next video. Bye.